Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is I know I haven't shot a video in a long time. I have a lot of stuff to do outside of internet marketing, a lot of crazy stuff I had to do and stuff. And well, I'm glad to be back. I haven't shot any videos, but I have been working all of these pages that you see here. I've added a lot of more resources that you guys might like. Just about every page has been updated with new stuff, and I'm going to try to get back into giving you guys some more good content and ways to make some money online or offline with mail order. And like I say, I got a lot of stuff coming up. I'm gonna try to get to it, as soon as I can. But I deal with a lot of craziness outside of marketing and stuff. But to my subscribers, don't unsubscribe. You don't want to do that. I know it's been a while. I know y'all probably been wondering when I'm gonna shoot another video. But this video is just kind of let everybody know that all of these pages that you see here have been updated with some more uh, good sources to make some money online. And I got a lot of stuff coming up that I'm working on behind the scenes, because that's basically what I've been doing, working behind the scenes and dealing with all the stuff I deal with outside of marketing. But this blog it's gonna be one of the best blogs in the world. I'm gonna keep, like I say, keep adding great stuff for y'all. So when y'all get a chance, and anybody that's new, uh, who haven't seen this blog before, you definitely want to go by there and check it out. I think I got a lot of interesting stuff. And also, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff coming. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.